Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust battery settings on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, I just want to mention that we don't have any direct power saving mode settings on or anything like this on this camera, but still we can have good control over the battery life by, for example, disabling voice control, pips and LEDs in the quick settings menu. Besides, if we go to the second page right here and select preferences, we'll be able to, for example, disable connections if we're not using them, and in general settings we can adjust the auto power off time and the LEDs which are enabled. Then we can also disable the GPS, which is using our battery's life in the background, and we can adjust things like audio and voice control, and in this place we can find one of the most effective settings in terms of battery life, like brightness and screensaver, which we can reduce. Besides, we can also scroll down to About section and find battery info here, along with the battery health information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.